Hello everyone who is watching us. My name is Nwagawa Benson, a student at MUST, Mbarara University of Science and Technology. And I have my friends here. I want to take you through the process how we managed to install a Windows operating system on a laptop.
How we installed the Windows on a laptop and the reasons for each step we made. My name is Lunyilele Daniel, doing BIT, and this is how me and my group installed Windows 11. First step, we prepared the installation media, that is USB, by downloading Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft's website. We also downloaded Rufus to help us make a bootable device. We created a bootable USB using Microsoft's Rufus. And the reason for that is that the laptop cannot install an operating system if you don't have a bootable installer, and it is the USB that provides the system files required for installation. That was our first step.
Yes, hello everyone. This is Astrime Conrad. Today we are going to look at installing an operating system. That's a Windows 11. We started the laptop and pressed F2 simultaneously to access the BIOS settings. The BIOS controls the boot order. Thus we told the system to boot from the USB instead of the hard drive. We set the boot order to the USB by changing the boot priority for the system to start from the USB first. We saved the changes and restarted the laptop. We selected the language, time, and the keyboard settings by choosing our preferred setting in the installer. Yes, the reason we wanted the system to match our region and the input preferences. We clicked install now and started the actual installation process. The reason the system, we wanted to start copying the operating system files to the laptop hard drive. Then after that, the system required us to enter the product key, but we don't have the product key. So we chose to upgrade after the installation type instead of custom. So the reason there was upgrade keeps existing file, while custom installation wipes away all the system. So we never wanted to lose our old files.
This is Mutajiki David, continuing with the installation of the operating system. So we now partition the hard drive by creating and forming partitions as we were required, and then selected where to install Windows. We copied and installed the files by the installer and installed features, applied updates automatically. The reason for this, this is the major step where the operating system is written on the laptop storage. The laptop restarted several times during installation. This allowed the installer to configure system, files, and driver correctly. Thank you.
Anmas Balthazar, BIT 2025. We set up the username, account, and preferences by creating password and configuring settings like privacy and updates. Reason: we wanted to personalize the laptop and secure our data. We finally installed drivers and updates by updating system drivers, graphics, networks, sounds, and installed the Windows update after installing the OS. Reason: it is the drivers which ensure that hardware works properly, for example, keyboard, touchpad, and the Wi-Fi.
A report on the installation of Linux operating system on the PC. The first step, we downloaded ISO file of Ubuntu from the link ubuntu.com/download. The second step, we created a bootable USB, which was 16 gigabytes. We inserted the USB, we opened Rufus and selected a USB, and we chose the downloaded ISO. Then we clicked to start to make it bootable, because we wanted to make the USB bootable so that we can install the Ubuntu operating system. The third step, we plugged the USB into a PC, then we restarted the PC. We kept on pressing on F9 for the boot menu because it was an HP brand. Then we selected the USB drive. First step, we chose the Ubuntu on the startup menu and we picked to install. We chose the language and keyboard layouts. Then we connected the PC to the Wi-Fi. We then selected normal installation. Then we partitioned our PC and chose install alongside Windows because we wanted both operating systems on the same PC. We then worked on time zone, username, and the password. The installation took 20 minutes to complete, and we restarted and removed the USB for the PC to boot in Linux. Thank you for everyone listening.